Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the decorative metal garden fence outdoor CTW3643, a versatile and stylish solution for your yard, patio, or flower bed. This no-dig, temporary dog fence includes 5 panels and 6 stakes, with each panel measuring 43.2 inches in height and 35.4 inches in width, providing a total linear length of 14.75 feet in a sleek black finish. Installation is a breeze. Simply slide the stakes through the metal loops on the sides of each panel and use a rubber mallet to hammer them into the ground, ensuring a sturdy and stable setup. The fence is crafted from gauge 9 thickness iron wires, and the 10 mm diameter stakes extend deep into the ground for added stability. One of the standout features is its unlimited extension capability, allowing you to connect more panels to cover larger areas as needed. This flexible enclosure design makes it easy to create a customized border for any space, whether you're looking to protect a garden or define a patio area. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.